Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can set up an out-of-office notification for your coworkers and team members on monday.com to notify them of your upcoming absence or vacation or holidays. So this is how you can do it, guys. Head over to monday.com, log into your account, and what you want to do is click onto your profile icon in the top right corner. After that, select my profile here under account. And last but not least, simply switch from personal info here on the left panel to work status below and set your upcoming or current work status, like for example in the office or working outside or out sick and so on and so forth. So you may go with an OOO notification by selecting this option here. After that, select the start date, choose a date, for example, from the calendar. So let me go with August 24th, next Sunday, and that's basically it. Now you may also, for example, disable email and mobile notifications while in OOO by using that feature here. And that's basically it, guys. Once you have done that, everyone in your workspace or basically in your team will be notified of your status and see that you're currently out of office. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.